Okay, I know I said to pause the video for the last one, but I ran out of recording time, so I just went ahead and truncated it to be a little shorter. So we have to still follow our same steps, identify the outside, identify the inside, and distribute. So here I identified the outside term, the number outside of the parentheses is 1/2. So this 1/2, I'm going to multiply by each term in the parentheses, each piece that's being added or subtracted. So 1/2 of 10x, 1/2 of 20y, and 1/2 of 10z. Now, either use a calculator or do these in your head. What each of these pieces are, go ahead and pause the video and write your answers down here. Try to finish the problem on your own. Okay, so 1/2 of 10 is 5. So if I had $10 and I split it with someone, we'd each get $5. Do not forget your variable. 1/2 of 20 is 10, so 10y. Once again, do not forget your variable. 1/2 of 10 is also 5 here, but don't forget your z. Now, I have 3 pieces. In these 3 pieces, you have to make sure you put an addition or subtraction symbol between each term. They are all positive, so I'm going to squeeze a positive in between those two, squeeze a positive in between those two. Okay? Correct any mistakes you might have made. And we always want to check, and this is what we're doing tomorrow, is we want to combine like terms. Well, none of these have the exact same variable, so we cannot combine these. X is different than Y is different than Z. So this is our final answer. Okay, our third example looks a little different, but it's not. It's the same steps. We need to identify the outside and the inside, then distribute. So what number is on the outside? Awesome. It is this 5 over here. It is outside of the parentheses. So we are going to distribute it this direction. So we have the 5 times that term, 5 times the next term, 5 times the last term. Okay, my inside numbers are 1, negative 2g, positive 4h. Go ahead and pause and multiply each of these. Okay, welcome back. This is 5. 5 times negative 2 is negative 10. G. 5 times 4 is 20. Don't forget your variable. Ooh, that variable kind of looks like an N, but it's an H. Okay, you want to look. I have 1, 2, 3 terms. I have subtraction between those 2 terms because my answer was negative. But over here, you have to squeeze in a positive for addition or it'll get counted wrong. We have to check, are any of these like terms? No, this is a constant. This term has the letter G for the variable. This term has the letter H for the variable. Okay, last but not least, I want you guys to try on your own this fourth question. I started writing it down before I recorded it. So the fourth question is in parentheses 6m minus 7 times the number 4. So try this on your own, then come back. Okay, you should have noticed that 4 is on the outside. 4 is going to be multiplied by the 6m term and the negative 7 term. So here I have 4 times 6m, which that gives me 24m. And then I have 4 times negative 7, which gives me negative 28. I have 2 terms. There's a symbol of subtraction between the two. This is an m term. This is just a number, so it's a constant. So that is my final answer. Okay. So you guys successfully completed 4 practice problems. Good job. Remember, you need to go into Canvas and upload your notes for today with your practice. Okay, and there are practice problems in Khan Academy that you can work on, but we will also work on those practice problems tomorrow. Thank you guys. Have a wonderful day.